You hate poor people. Yes, you do. I know now you're becoming defensive and you want to tell me in your head, oh, since I come from a poor background. Even you as a poor person, you hate poor people. You hate yourself so badly that you cannot imagine that you are capable of being used for transforming this country. So you've relegated yourself. The Kenyans hate the poor people hate themselves, and they cannot imagine anything better. And I say this because we are not willing to entrust the change onto simple methods. The people you think are going to drive the change are the people who are leaner versions of the thieves that you're trying to remove from office. If you want to be a successful politician, you cannot be walking. You cannot be guys like us who walk around, who want to do small things. You want them to be done in a big way. You want to see opulence. The opulence that you're fighting is the same opulence you're doing. And because you're a coward, wewe kama Mkenya, kazi yako ni kusikiza udaku kutoka bigwig ati bigwig alisema so a bigwig can never lie. Of course, because you're a fool. Yes, you refuse to educate yourself. You refuse to get rid of class consciousness, those kinds of things. And then now you want to project that. Relax before you bring me those feelings. Even me, I'm projecting. So all of us are projecting. Unakach bure. But you hate it. And the person you're most likely to elect is the person that closest resembles the thief you're trying to remove from office. Yes, I say this because you refuse to advocate for people like Okiya Mtata because they don't show grandeur. Yes, you refuse to believe that the people who went to Bomas are human enough. So you write them off. You believe that they need civic education. You don't for a moment sit down and consider that these people have such difficult lives that the only place that they could make money is when they are mobilized by their MP. You don't look at this as a problem of unemployment. You think about it as these are poor people, or these are people from the slums now wanahitaji civic education. That's how we think of them, and that's why we are never gonna take political power. Sisi watu wenye tuko online, kazi yetu ni kujiona, tunajionanga sisi ni better than these other people. And that's the thing. Again, that you are a coward. Wachana ile yenye mnasemaga sijui wewe sasa yako ni you are a coward and you're stupid as a Kenyan. I tell you why. It is so bad that you outsource courage. How do I know you outsource courage? If someone asks you, if someone wants to nyorosha you, someone asks you for money, you do not expect accountability because you don't want to leave your office. You do not want to leave the comfort of your home. Accountability is the price you pay. You're not willing to have money accounted for kwa sababu it is the price you're willing to pay kwa sababu you're a coward and you're silly and you don't want to say it. So all you say is apana, we are supporting one of our own, and you're lying to yourself. You know it, I know it. But it cannot be the poor people. It cannot be the social justice centers and the organizing places that are consistently doing the work. You don't want to put the money there. You want to put the money in places that give you entertainment. I will tell you another reason why I think you contribute to these political or whatever causes. It's because you live such a miserable life and you cannot afford to pay for a Netflix subscription. You cannot afford to pay for Spotify or YouTube Premium or Hulu or Apple Music. So unaweka 100 unaekelea bet kwa mtu, and you hope the reason why you finance them, you want them to bring for you the most entertaining, the most grotesque, fast, the most shocking things that they can, and then those are the people you laud as your leaders. Yes, that's how, because you're a coward and you're not willing to do the work. You don't want to buy books. You do not want to sit in study circles. You do not want to go and sit in a book club. You want to outsource confidence. Mpaka lini? When will this Kenya change if that's the attitude that you have? Yes. Well, you'll still sit down here and you want to tell me, oh, you know, some of us are, and deep down, you know, I am not lying. There's some element of truth. You're a coward, and a sad one at that. And you do not want accountability. You want to stay in this utopia. And you're the reason why Kenya is not going to change. And you hate me because I do not want your money. So you cannot control me. It's beautiful to watch. We will fix this country with your help. And we will call you out. And we will go for it. And guess what? Now I have a place where I can belong. I have people who can mentor me. As Evo tu, until the point where it gets where I can communicate this message to you. Evo tu vile nanikujia, as the political awakening comes to me, Evo tu ndio hata mimi nitaileta. Hii ni kama prophecy. Like, if you don't agree with it, just think of it as a false prophecy. Yeah? Do better. You can do better for your country. I know you can. I dare you to do it. Be more evolved, bana. That's where you want to live. You're 18. You cannot outsource your life. You're 20, you're 25. Sasa unataka hawa watu wenye wako 30. There's nothing bad with being 30. But let me just focus. We can do better.